Hey everybody, listen, I am so excited about today's video. I have some stuff for the car, for the cold weather. I also got something that I have been wanting to get the whole time I have been in my car, but due to me having to research, find the right price, find out, how to use it, by looking at videos and stuff, it has led to me just now buying it. So I'm excited to show y'all the little goodies I got today. Let's get started. I hope y'all are having a good day. I'm having a good day. Yay. So I went to a store, and so today's video is all about stuff for the car. I don't know if I said that. I found this camping blanket by Magellan Outdoors, and this was normally $6.99. They had it marked down for $2. Do you understand? $2. Okay, so yeah, they had this, and when you live in your car in the fall and the winter, you can never have too many blankets. So I had to pick this up. I be seeing these blankets everywhere, and they be saying that they marked down to $3 and $4. I'm not spending that kind of money for this little bitty blanket, so I want to see how big it is. It's probably the regular, normal size, but I just really want to use this one for like when I'm sitting up in the front seat and I'm looking at a movie. I can wrap something around me instead of using my really big blanket. And okay, so it's pretty big. Oh, this thing is big. This thing is big. This is not the normal ones that is normally paper thin and real little. Let me see the size of this. Oh, this is 50 inches. 50 inches by 60 inches. Okay, so this is real big. So this is going to be a perfect for my nights when I want to cuddle up with myself and watch a movie, On to the next one. Did a video earlier, a couple of months ago maybe, where I found some hand warmers called Hot Hands. Y'all, I went to this place. Oh my God, I'm getting naked on the video. Why, Lord? Why am I trying to get naked? Y'all not ready for that. I'm just playing. I found a bag of hand warmers, and I think they camouflage. It's got 10 pairs. Let me open it up, even though I don't need one right now because it's almost 60 degrees today. Can you believe that? It's December. Yesterday, it was down in the 18s. These are the camouflage hand warmers. Y'all, I love these things, and I do not want to open it because it'll activate it. So, I'm going to be ready for the fall. I'm pretty sure I'll have to buy another bag for the winter, but it's just 10. And I try not to use them every time they get cold because I got other stuff that I can do, like my gloves and my toboggan, and I got my scarf. Are y'all ready? Y'all, I got my baby today. Finally. Y'all, your girl got her butane stove. Do you understand? I've been talking about it for so long. I've been holding off. I've been eating out. I've been eating salads, fast food. I have really been eating bad. But now, your girl finna get on her cooking game. Okay? So, I'm like a kid. I hope y'all are happy for me. Please be happy for me because I've been wanting one of these stoves for the longest. As I said, this is by Sterno. It's butane fuel. And it's 10,000 BTUs. Okay, that's the motherfucker, in case you don't know. 10,000 BTUs. If you don't know what BTU means, that means British Thermal Unit. That means the higher the number, that means the hotter your flame is that you can burn on the stove. Okay, so, yeah, and it gets your food hot faster. It boils water faster. I looked at one at Walmart, and it was only 7,500 BTUs. So I knew that was a little bitty. It probably was going to take a long time, so I was like, I think I can do better. So I did pay $32 for this. When I first seen this earlier this summer, this was $44. I paid $32. So I'm surprised the price came down since it is getting colder. It's December and I got it for $32. So I'm excited. Somebody else may say that's too much. I have seen these things down to $10. $10. But that was at places like Target and Walmart. And when I read the reviews, it was mixed reviews. But this one had amazing reviews. So this also has the automatic ignition, which is what I wanted. That means when I turn the knob to push it up to turn the fire on, it's going to do it on its own, automatic. I don't have to use one of these to ignite it. Yeah, I don't have to use one of these because I didn't want to do that. Now, you have to do those on some of the cheaper ones that I saw, and I was just like, hell no. It also has the adjustable knob where you can raise the flame up or you can raise it down. It also has the automatic safety shut off, which is important because so many y'all, and y'all talking to a girl, when she researches, I research. I research every spec on an item before I buy it, okay? So this is for outdoor and indoor, and before y'all come for me, don't nobody come for me because you got a lot of people that's going to say, you can't use it in your car. Yes, I can, and yes, I will. First thing you got to have when you're dealing with any kind of fire is common sense. You gotta have common sense, okay? I also know to keep the window cracked, you have to have an airflow. Yes, you do. And also, you have to have your safety stuff. So before anybody come for me, I have my fire extinguisher. Yes, I do. I also have my I had to get my grabber because it's over on the passenger side door. I have my CO2 alarm. So your girl got all the stuff she needs. So don't nobody come for me, okay? Thank you. Y'all know I promise to practice safety with my stove and do all the things that I need to do. Sterno, they do remind you in several places on this label, buy the butane. It tells you what kind to buy. Now, there is other kind of butane fuels. I know Coleman has one. Walmart sells a kind of butane. But just to be on the safe side, I went ahead, Sterno fuel. They had it sitting there. They had it marked down I think it was $2.12 per can, which is real good because I've seen these cans go up to $3.50 in some places. So fuel is going to vary by location, by city, by state. That's one thing I have found out. So $2.12 is good. Also, butane has a 2 to 4 hour burn time. You get 4 hours if you're doing continuous cooking, okay? But if you have to stop it, cut it on, turn it off, put it away, light it back up for some reason, like for cooking, like what I'm going to be doing, that's going to cut down on the fuel, okay? So I'm anxious to, and this will be my first time using a stove like this, so I'm anxious to write down all the notes and things that I encounter. That way I can remember for the next time, okay? Because this is going to be what I use to stay warm and cook. Now, the only other thing that I need to get to go with my stove is a camping heater cover thing, and I'll put a screenshot in here of what I'm talking about. It's a cover that goes over the fire, and it turns it from a cooking stove to a heating, like a heater. So when I found that, I said, oh my God, I can buy one of those. They're like $15, $18, but I think I can go cheaper than that. So I'm going to be getting one of those. I still have to order it, but that's how I'm going to be staying cool, warm this winter and this fall. So I bought 3 cans of these. So this $6 worth of fuel. Oh, we got the little arrow to tell you how to open it. Hold on. Okay. So now we can open it. See what we got. This is the plate, the grill plate, the cooking plate. This is the stove. Oh my God, it's got a good weight on it. It got legs. Here's the knob, the locking knob to lock the butane in place. Here's the knob to turn on and off the fire. This is where the fuel goes. And this is the hole. Oh, you kind of got to pull up and then pull it down. But this is where the fuel goes, and it locks in there. It's a little lever right there. And of course, y'all are going to see me do this when I do start my cooking. So don't worry about that. Your girl going to show you. And of course, that's where the fire come out at. So now, let's sit that there. And let's play around with this grate. So this is how it goes in when it's not in use. See? It fits down in there. And then when I'm ready to cook, I put it in there like that. Ta-da! Now, when I buy my my cooking cover heater thing, it sits on top of these legs right here. That's why those grates are in there. So this is my stove that I wanted to share with y'all. So yeah, I'm so excited. And also I can sit the stove on top of this to cook in the car. That way it's on a stable surface. It's heat proof. One of my friends, he's a biker. He bought me something about a week or two ago, and I put it to the side because I knew that I wanted to talk about this when I bought my stove and stuff. Y'all, he bought me, I think they're called Gator, like head warmer, neck warmer. It's a mask. And I'm going to put some inserts in there. Y'all, I love this thing. I have not worn it yet because I wanted to put it on for y'all. So, let's put on my Gator. This is by a company called Zan. So I know I'm going to mess up my hair and my makeup, but it's okay because it's about time for a nap. Because I was worried it wasn't going to fit over my big head. Oh my God, do I look stupid? Hell no, I don't look stupid. Because I'm going to be warm. And it fits snug. Oh my God. I love this. I can put my jacket, my sweatshirt over this and keep warm. Oh yeah. I love this. I can also wear it just as a neck warmer. You can wear it many ways. That's my Gator. I'm gonna have to tell my friend I finally tried it on. And I'm a proud American citizen. So I like that it got the flag on it, of course. I like that. He thought I wasn't gonna like it because of the flag. And I'm like, man, is you crazy? I live in the United States. So I like it. So y'all, that's all I got for today. The items that I've showed y'all. And I'm so excited that I think I'm pretty much covered for the winter. I think I got one more item that I need to get, but I'll get all of that before winter get here, like in January, February. But the main thing I wanted to get was my stove. Yeah, I needed it because I've had some rough days in this car. I'm not gonna even lie. So y'all, thank you for joining me on this video. Thank you for the views, subscribing. Until next video, y'all have a good day. Bye. And if you got any tips on what I can do to stay warm in this car, I'm taking all suggestions. Okay, thank you. Bye.